YouTube? I am back. Yes, I know I've been gone and I've been faithful to YouTube, but I'm here. I done had a little few bumps or whatever. So when I mean bumps, I mean y'all, like just December, like I had my appendix taken out, and then January and February came, or yeah, basically, and I had to have gallbladder surgery. I am too young to be going through that. I am 23, y'all. My birthday is this month, March Madness. So, you know, let me just say y'all this. Stay healthy. And it might have been because I decided to go vegan. I also decided to go vegan this year. A lot of new things are happening this year, so y'all stay tuned, please, for the rest of the year with me, and bear with me, okay? Because we got a lot of cooking to do. We got some health tips coming. We got some, what's that stuff called? Workouts. We got fashion hauls. We got beauty things going on. So, listen. This channel this year is gonna pop, okay? We're gonna make sure we get it on and popping. Today, that is not the reason why I'm here. So you guys, I've been having some issues with certain foundations that I've been wearing, like, and you know, I've gotten a good choice of things lately, but it's just not still quite right. But however, I discovered this one foundation that is going to get me through life. Because I promise y'all, if this does not help anybody, I don't know what is, okay? I love Rihanna Fenty so much. Like, I love her foundation. But this foundation is thebomb.com, okay? So we are going to discuss that today. All right, so I have a box here. I have a little black box like this. So the packaging comes in a little box, but the actual package on the outside when you get it is black, and it's like bubble wrap, but it's like really shimmery-ish. So this is a company that I found on my Pinterest, which I will list my Pinterest below. You guys can go there and follow me. I would love your follows. And y'all can look through my boards. So as I was going through my beauty section, I seen like a little advertisement for IL Maquillage, and I will list this this little website below, and you know, the color that I have. IL Maquillage is from New York, and it comes in a little black box like this, okay? So when you first go on there, it's gonna ask you, do you wanna buy a product? So what they're gonna do is you're only gonna spend $5 that day. And if you don't like it, you can send it back and they're gonna give you your money back. If you love it, then they're gonna basically take out the rest of what the foundation costs, okay? So the foundation itself is $50, but I promise y'all it is worth it, okay? I'm gonna open the box. So when you open the box, it has how it works. So basically what you do is you try the products. So it says these are yours to try for 14 days, starting on the day they were delivered. So the day that it delivers is the day that your 14-day trial starts. So the second one is you love it or return it. So it says if you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, visit imaquillage.com to return and download your return label. So if you don't like it, you can go on there and download the return label and return the foundation, okay? So there shouldn't be no reason why you're returning this, in my opinion. So if you have questions, they have a little question thing where you can email them, and then they have the, of course, the little logo. And so it comes with a card. So this one, this little thing says over 75% of women get foundation wrong, which I'm a part of 75% because I can never find my foundation color and it's horrible. So then it tells you it really gives you like directions on how to apply foundation, which, you know, hopefully y'all know how to apply foundation. So if you don't, you know, the first step is apply, it says apply 2 pumps to your face, your entire face, jaw, and your neckline. This is for this actual foundation. And then you either blend it out with a sponge or a brush. And then you have to wait 5 minutes to set before checking your shade, because when you apply it, it's wet, of course, but then what it's going to do is it's going to adapt to your skin, and it's going to literally blend with your skin. So that way you're not having a chalky look or you're looking like Casper the Ghost. So this is a type of foundation that is going to adapt to your skin, and I love it. Okay, so this one says do not match your neck or your wrist. So do not ever match your foundation that you're applying on your wrist or like a swap, or either put it on your neck. Your face color is different from your wrist and sometimes your neck. With me, that's a little different because I'm the same shade all right here. And then you, of course, it says to finish with the concealer, a blush, and a bronzer. And you can wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. Okay, so if you don't like it, you can always return it. And then they put like the little this little stuff in here. This stuff is annoying. I don't like it. Whatever. And then they put the little shipping paper in there. This is the box that it comes in. Okay, so what it does is it opens at the bottom. I would save this box for something, just to put like a secret stash in. Like, y'all can stash anything in here. So the one that I have is called Woke Up Like This. Okay, it's a flawless base foundation. It is 30 milliliters and it's a 1 ounce. Okay, but it basically tells you what the Woke Up Like This foundation is. So what it does is it smoothens and evens the skin. It minimizes the appearance of shadows and pores. It enhances the complexion and creates a flawless natural matte finish. So what I was going for, you guys, was a matte finish and not an oily look, because I hate when my makeup looks so oily. I just want a natural finish matte look. Okay, and this one says the cutting edge formula offers a unique combination of medium to high coverage. I definitely wanted that coverage, so that's exactly what it's going to give me. And a super comfortable weightless feeling, and it definitely feels weightless when you put it on. Okay, well, because I couldn't wait to do this video, like, I took mine out the box, so that's my fault. Now what we're going to do is we are going to test this product. I'm going to show y'all what kind of coverage I get out of this exact foundation. Okay, so what I have is I have a brush, I have a sponge, and I'm also going to use my finger. So we're going to take some baby wipes. I'll use baby wipes. These I got at Lidl for like 89 cents yesterday, and they're with jojoba oil. I think that's how you say it. Jojoba oil, that's what I call it. Okay, so these are for sensitive skin and they're unsensitive as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take like one out and just wipe our face. We have our brush here. So we're going to use like 3 different areas. So we're going to use the forehead, we're going to use this side, and we're going to use this side. And then, you know, we're going to kind of go in with the other parts as well. So what we're going to start with first is the brush. So this is my Beaky brush that I got. I got these brushes off of Amazon. They're actually really good. So this is my foundation brush I'm going to use. So this is the bottle, the famous, infamous bottle of foundation, and it tells you what it is. Woke Up Like This right here. So the top comes off like that, and you have a little, yeah, y'all can tell I done used this already. I couldn't wait. 2 little pumps, okay, that much, and then we're going to, I guess we can use this side. We can use this side, y'all. Now I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna take my sponge here. I'm gonna do this side with the sponge, just to see if there's a difference. So that's a sponge. And I'm gonna let that dry. Looks like this part over here is drying as well. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my finger. We'll let that dry. Okay, so yes, it's going to look very orangey once you first like put it on, and it looks weird. So we first put it on, of course it's looking like that, but once it dries, it's definitely gonna look a little different. If you are my skin tone, this is exactly what it's going to literally look like. Okay, so this is your coverage here. I just did my cheeks right here. So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and we're going to apply to the whole face. And there we are, y'all. So, wow. And this, it's not dry yet. So, we're gonna wait about maybe, it says maybe about 3 minutes. So, I'm gonna come back in 3 minutes, guys, and show y'all exactly what it looks like. All right, y'all, so we are back, and this is the foundation when it's dry. So it still kind of looks the same, but you can tell that it has adapted to my skin tone. You don't see any crazy lines or anything like where it's not matching. So this foundation has done its job and what I actually wanted it to do. Okay, so it is very light, like it doesn't feel heavy or anything. And it's definitely covering up the dark marks that I have, like acne scars, especially if you have acne scars like me. This is the foundation that you want to use. And then, you know, of course, I don't have any concealer or anything right here, so I got a little bit of baggy eyes going on. But as far as coverage for a foundation, this is the lightest foundation I've ever used, and it's so soft and it's light. It doesn't feel cakey. You really don't even feel, it doesn't even feel like I have on foundation, but it's there. Like, and I'm getting all this nice coverage of everything, y'all. Like, just look at it. I have shown y'all from my perspective and on my face specifically what this foundation does. So this is the IL Makiage. Okay, this is the I Woke Up Like This foundation in my shade. Okay, it comes in different shades, any shade that you want, especially you know, they match up your skin tone. It is worth the $50, okay? And I love it. So I'm gonna keep it. So IL Makiage, thank you guys for this bottle of foundation. You guys did a really good job on this formula because I have not found a wonderful foundation in so long. I'm going to wipe off one side of my face just to show y'all like how the coverage is and what was covered up. So we're gonna wipe this side. So I want to tell y'all also about this foundation is y'all notice that I have redness and everything right here. It also covers up that redness, so y'all can tell between the foundation and this side. So this side doesn't have no coverage. My acne scars are showing again. This side looks completely like smooth. Okay, so you know this foundation is doing its job, and love it. Thank you for watching my video today and joining me back on this new journey that we are about to take on this YouTube channel. And I hope you guys have a blessed day and a wonderful year, and happy Sunday. And I will be back at the end of the week, hopefully with something new and something different to talk about, because I have some special guests that'll be joining me this year. So you guys stay tuned for that. But until then, love you guys, and I love you, my queens, and thank you for watching.